Michelle, you want to elaborate on where we're going?
Actually, I have no idea. Just I know that we're going to the Foresthill area.
We're going to get in snow. Dean, you ready for some snow?
Yeah, snow.
Yeah, snow?
Yeah.
Are you gonna play in it? Yeah, is it gonna be fun? What are you gonna do?
Snowballs.
Wow. Snowballs are good.
Snowman.
Yeah, no, we've gotten some crazy weather here in California. And we haven't actually been able to get out of the house for like 2 or 3 weeks. Not like physically, but like out to any places that we usually go because of all the snow. But we have one of those atmospheric rivers that's kind of like dropped a lot of warm rain. So we're hoping once we get up there, we might actually be able to wheel around and see some cool stuff. But we won't know until we get there, so.
Stay posted. Stay posted.
What?
Stay. Oh my God.
So we were hoping that there wouldn't be too much snow up here, and yeah, we might not be going too far off the trail.
There's quite a bit.
Got a good 2 to 3 foot, it looks like. We're heading up to Mammoth Bar right now to see how bad it is. Maybe there are a few little trails.
Are we getting close to China Wall as well? Or did we already pass that?
No, we're getting close.
Okay.
But yeah.
How much snow would you say there is?
That's usually 2 or 3 foot. It's hard to tell though.
I feel like it's taller than me, and I'm 5 foot.
But it's also like all the stuff that's been blown off by the blower.
Oh, that's true. Not too shabby. And the fog is absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, we were not expecting this much snow. So we're gonna head back to Finney Mill and see if we can crawl back in there a little bit. Although I'm seeing like a little trail. Look, there's a trail right there. Trail closed, except snowmobiles.
4-wheel drive engaged. Slipping and slide. It's actually kind of pretty thick. Probably getting into 4-wheel drive.
Yeah, no, it's a little worse than I was expecting.
Snow willing, they said. Fun, they said. What the heck are we doing out here? Oh my gosh. This is insane.
Fucking psychopath decided that this was a great life decision. What the fuck are we doing out here, Sawyer? What are we doing?
Hi Bruce, how you feeling?
I'm feeling terrified. I've made
a little bit
multiple
sketchier than I
videos
thought it was going to be.
talking about why the fuck we're doing this.
We're
will be going where no man should go.
It's not like horrific. It's just, it kind of fights back a little bit.
I mean,
This is the one hill where I'm a little sketched out about.
yeah, but you have to look at it in the aspect that we're in the middle of nowhere with no cell phone reception, and hopefully we really enjoy winching ourselves out. That's all I have to say.
Yeah, totally. It's easy. We're going icy hill.
Where I am now.
So we're all deliberating on whether or not we want to go down this hill. It's the steepest one on this trail. If we can't get back up, that means we have to go all the way around. Bree,
Yes.
what is your thoughts on this? Let's make sure everybody knows what they're getting in on.
My thoughts are you own a Jeep to use a Jeep, so let's see what happens.
That's fair. Michelle, ideas, objections.
No objections. I'm along for the ride.
Dean, what do you think on the hill? Dean, do we go down the hill?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, your call.
Your call. Okay. Steep hill. See how we do.
I'm first right now, so we should pretty much drift down. Definitely coming back out might be okay. Especially since it's not running very nicely.
No, not even a little. When you come back up, you're gonna have to place your tires.
Far left.
Yeah.
Deeper than expected, actually.
Considering this is where all the tree coverage
Oh,
is.
look all hard pack up top.
Not bad, not bad. Ooh. Dean, go wee! Nice, buddy. Oh. Bumpy. Shoes off? Wow, look at all the snow, Dean.
More down here than up there.
I know. Ooh. Decent. So we got this. That's right. Nice job.
There's Bree. Looks like Bree got stuck. Go back to check that. Back. Try going back and rocking your tires. Bolts are spinning.
What?
Are you riding on your diff? Crank the tires hard.
That way?
Anyway, just all the way.
Okay.
While driving. Keep turning. Turn the other way. Keep on it. You've no locker in the rear.
What?
You've no locker in the rear.
I'm just all ice now.
Alright, let me just yank you out. So I think I have some traction right here.
What does the rest of the road look like?
I don't know, but if it looks like this, you might have to go back. Bree's so stressed out right now. It's actually really funny. She hasn't done a lot of wheeling by herself, and we try to kind of avoid snow wheeling for this exact reason. Somebody always ends up stuck, which fucking sucks. But it is what it is.
He's gonna get it.
Might end up helping us, we'll see. Now we're anchoring. We're using my Jeep as an anchor. Try to pull her out of a hole.
You are stuck. I know. But in true fashion, I'm the one that always gets stuck, so it's fine.
Michelle, or Bree.
What?
You go ahead and stand over there, yeah.
Oh yeah, so that when it snaps, it doesn't murder me? Alright, let me know what's in neutral. Good?
Oh, hey, turn this, turn it.
What do you mean?
On top. There's a dial. Right there on the right, there you go.
Which direction?
What does that mean? Yeah, that, yeah, you're good.
And then push the up button?
Yep, or no, down.
Down button?
I don't know, which one to make you go in. There you go. Michelle, put in drive.
Put it in, oh, drive.
And drive.
Is it drive or neutral?
Okay, now start turning and accelerating slightly. Turn left. Oh, stop, 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 stop! Yep, battle scars.
I've been stuck multiple times today, so Donnie's gonna try to get us out of this one. Hey, guess what? Guess who got stuck again? It's me!
Jesus Christ.
All right, we're gonna try for this tree as I'm dragging out the winch again.
Hold on.
It's starting to get a little dark. We made some great life decisions today. I don't know if you can see, it's still raining a lot.
Alright, you get this far?
Maybe. Not with this thing, hold on. So we have a bit of a situation here.
Well, wanted an adventure. I got my adventure. Can't feel my hands, can't feel my feet, can't feel my balls.
But the high seems to be working. So there's that.
Huh?
I said the high lift seems to be working, so there's that.
Yeah. Finally got some field use out of it. Trick is we have to get out of here before dark.
Yeah, and it's starting to get a little dark, isn't it?
How's that?
Okay. This ain't your regular tire shop.
Are you just on?
Yeah, so this adventure has been one for the record books. We're still trying to crawl out. It's been what, how many hours?
Oh, we got down there probably around 1. It's 5 now.
Blew off a tire, got stuck a lot.
Mostly her.
Pretty
She mostly
cool.
got stuck. A lot.
Fun, but it's beautiful.
No, it's pretty. Try entertaining a 2-year-old for that.
Very true. So somehow we got out. Not 100% how. This is the very first adventure where I was like, uh-oh, we might not be getting out of here. And there's no cell phone reception, there's no help, there's no backup. We were way back in there, and I would have pretty much, I mean, luckily there's tons of gas, so nobody would have froze to death, but I probably would have had to hike a good 2 miles out, maybe 3 miles out, actually get to the road to get someone to pick me up, or at least let me use their phone But we're back. We're airing up. Can't complain.